Don't be banging on my door, bro.
Guys, so we got here, did our pre-trip, turned the key, and it does nothing. Looks like we got someone here to help us. What up? Is it working? Alright, so we got the cables hooked up. He's not talking much, so I'm guessing he's in a bad mood. Or maybe he's just tired. I don't know. God, you gotta do all this to get to the battery. And it still has these two bolts right here. Just one. Are those working? Yeah.
Yep.
Alright. Huh? Alright guys, so we got the truck started. Thankfully. I'm good? Alright. See you later, I'm gonna take off. Thank you.